In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on keyboard shortcuts in Google Calendar. Whether you're a frequent user or just getting started, enabling these shortcuts can make navigating and managing your schedule much more efficient. First, let's open up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whatever you're most comfortable with. Once you're there, head to the search bar and type in Google Calendar. Just hit Enter, and you should see Google Calendar right at the top of the search results. Click on that link to open it. If you're not already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to sign in. Simply enter your email address and password, and you'll be directed straight to your calendar. Should you find yourself forgetting your password, just follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your Google Calendar page. You'll see a little gear icon, which represents the settings. Please click on this icon. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, look to the menu on the left-hand side and locate the option that says Keyboard Shortcuts. Go ahead and click on this. You'll now see a box option that says Enable Keyboard Shortcuts. Check this box to activate the feature. What this does is it allows you to use various keyboard shortcuts to navigate through your Google Calendar more quickly. If you're curious about which shortcuts you can use, you can find a complete list of them in the Help section of Google Calendar. With the shortcut box checked, proceed to the bottom of the page. You'll find a button labeled Save. Click on it to save any changes you've made. This is an important step because without saving your changes, they won't be applied, and you'll have to go through the setup process again. Now that you've enabled keyboard shortcuts, you're set up to navigate your calendar with increased efficiency. For example, press C to create a new event, and to go to the next date range, or T to go to today's date. This simple adjustment can save you a lot of time and make using Google Calendar a much smoother experience. So try these shortcuts and see how they improve your workflow. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, the Google Calendar Help section provides a wealth of information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find these tips helpful in managing your Google Calendar more effectively. Don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe for more tips. Happy scheduling!